Friends, we were studying that cos theta equals to, in the Cartesian form, cos theta equals to a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 upon magnitude of b, that is a square, a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square under root, multiply by magnitude of c, that is a2 का square plus b2 का square plus c2 का square under root. Now instead of the direction numbers a, b, c, we will take the direction cosines L, Lm, N, L1, N1, L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Then cos theta equals to L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into N2. Case first, if the two lines we are having are perpendicular to each other, then L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into N2 equals to 0. If the lines are parallel to each other, then what it is? A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. Then now we are to find out the equation of the line passing through a given point and perpendicular to the given two given lines. Then that is R equals to a vector A plus T into cross product of the B1 and B2 vectors. Question is, find the angles between the lines R equals to 3i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 2k. This is R 5j minus 2k mu into 3i plus 2j plus 6k. We have to find out where vector B equals to I. Solution. In these two lines, vector I equals to I plus 2j plus 2k and C equals to 3i plus 2j plus 6k. What we have to find out? Cos theta equals to cross product of the dot product of these two. Dot product of these two, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 6 upon 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर अंडर रूट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 6 का स्क्वायर अंडर रूट. Now what to do? Calculate this. When we calculate cos theta equals to 3 plus from here 4 plus from here 12 upon 1 plus 4 plus 4 under root, another is 9 plus 4 plus 36 under root. It is ऊपर that is 19 और नीचे under root 9 और this is 49. Okay, that is 19 upon 3 multiplied by 7, 19 upon 21. Now theta equals to cos inverse 19 upon 21. That is the inclination between the two lines or angle between the two lines. We will take another question. We will take another question, and that is saying find the angle between. Question is find the angle between 2x equals to 3y equals to minus z and 6x equals to minus y equals to 4z. Okay, equation from here, what to do? LCM will be 6, then it will be x upon 3. Solution we are doing. Equation equals to, this is y upon 2 equals to minus z upon 6. Okay, if you are finding this, then LCM of these are 12. This will be another equation. This is first. Second equation from here, it will be equals to a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 upon a1 का स्क्वायर प्लस b1 का स्क्वायर, ओके, a1 स्क्वायर प्लस b1 स्क्वायर प्लस c1 स्क्वायर अंडर रूट a2 स्क्वायर प्लस b2 स्क्वायर प्लस c2 स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, ओके. नाउ सॉल्व a1 a2 you are having, that is 3 into 2 plus इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that will be 2 into minus 12 plus minus 6 into minus 3 upon a1 का स्क्वायर 9 plus 4 plus 36 अंडर रूट एंड इसका स्क्वायर 4 plus 144 plus 9 का स्क्वायर, ओके. नाउ व्हाट यू विल हैव, देखो, दिस इज cos theta equals to 6 plus it is minus 24, it is plus 18 upon under root 49 or 48 157 under root, okay, then what it will be, 0. Cos theta equals to 0. If cos theta equals to 0, then what will be the value? Theta equals to 90. Okay, two lines will be perpendicular to each other. Now question we will do, another question we are taking, that is find the condition that the lines x equals to ay plus b, z equals to cy plus d, ओके, एंड ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन होगी. सेकंड इक्वेशन इज x इक्वल्स टू a डैश y प्लस b डैश एंड z इक्वल्स टू c डैश y प्लस b डैश may be perpendicular to each other. Okay, see the solution. फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन देखो, अगर हमें इनकी इक्वेशन पर x y z, यहाँ क्या लिख सकते हैं हम नीचे, देखो x है, इधर लेकर आएंगे माइनस b बनेगा अपॉन a, ओके. इसकी वैल्यू 1, इसकी वैल्यू माइनस b अपॉन c, ओके. एंड second equation, this equation is first, another equation is x minus b dash upon a dash equals to y upon 1 equals to z minus b dash upon c dash, that is 2. Now what to do? If these two lines are perpendicular, then a1 a dash plus 1 into 1 plus c into c dash equals to 0. This equation will be then a1 c1 plus 1 equals to 0. This will be the condition that these two lines will be perpendicular to each other. Okay students, rest we will discuss in the another video. Have a nice day.